Yo, you ever sit around and think, man, what would happen if Earth just lost its oxygen? Nah. Well, too bad, cause that's exactly what we're gonna talk about right now. So buckle up. Or don't, honestly. It won't matter in a world without oxygen. Okay, first of all, let's set the scene. 1 minute you're vibing, breathing in that sweet, sweet O2. Maybe scrolling through your phone. Maybe thinking about what's for lunch, and bam. All the oxygen on Earth is gone, not a little bit. Not 10%, not oh no. Let's wear masks. All of it. Poof, bye-bye. So, what happens? First of all, say goodbye to your lungs doing their thing. Oxygen equals life without it. You've got about 15 seconds before your brain's like, I'm out, bro, and that's being generous. You'd black out faster than your phone battery on 1%. But hey, silver lining, you wouldn't have to go to work tomorrow. But wait, it gets way worse. Remember that thing called air pressure? Yeah, oxygen makes up about 21% of our atmosphere. You yank that out and the pressure drops like your motivation on a Monday morning. All the nitrogen left behind. It can't hold things together like oxygen does. So, boom, your inner ears pop. Not like, oh, cabin pressure on a plane pop, I'm talking painful. Eardrum bursting pop, fun, right? Oh, and metal. Stuff we think of as rock solid. Oxygen's kinda important for that too. Without oxygen, all unprotected metal just fuses together instantly. Cars? Gone. Planes? Sayonara. Your bike? Well, hope you weren't planning to ride it. Everything metal that wasn't painted or treated would basically weld itself into one massive, useless sculpture. Modern art, I guess. But hey, it's not just the stuff around you. It's you, too. Your body's water. Water is H2O. To hydrogens, one oxygen. Guess what happens when the O vanishes? All water molecules split apart. That includes lakes, oceans, your morning coffee, and, 60% of you. We'd all be dried out husks in no time. Like jerky. Human jerky. Yum. And speaking of oceans, they'd be gone, evaporated. Because no oxygen in water means no water. Imagine standing on what used to be a beach, just staring at cracked earth where the sea used to be. On the bright side, no more sand in your shoes. And plants. Dead. Trees. Toast. No oxygen means no carbon dioxide cycle. No photosynthesis, no nothing. The green stuff would shrivel faster than your last houseplant that you forgot to water. And with no trees, no plants. Say goodbye to food, but you wouldn't be around long enough to get hungry, so small victories. Now, let's talk about the sky, the blue sky. That's thanks to oxygen molecules scattering sunlight. Without oxygen, the sky would turn black. Not nighttime black, just black. Like someone hit the off switch. The sun would still be there, sure, but the sky. Dark is your sense of humor. And if you're thinking, well, at least the Earth will stay in one piece, right? Think again, the crust we walk on. Oxygen makes up nearly half of it, so if the oxygen disappears, the ground would basically crumble like stale cake. Earth's crust would just collapse, buildings. Gone, roads. Gone, that pizza place you love, gone. Oh, and before I forget, the ozone layer. That's made of oxygen, too. No oxygen, no ozone, which means the sun's UV rays. They're coming for you. Like, full force, not that it matters. Since you've already blacked out, but hey, good to know. So let's recap, real quick. You can't breathe. Your ears explode. All metal fuses together. Water, gone. Plants, dead. Sky black. Earth's crust, crumbling. UV rays, frying everything. And all this happens instantly, like snappy game over. Earth without oxygen is like trying to make toast without bread. Just not happening. But don't worry, this is purely hypothetical. Oxygen's not just gonna pack up and leave, unless, I don't know, we invent some massive space vacuum cleaner, which sounds like something we would do. Let's be honest. So next time you take a breath, Maybe say a quiet thank you to the ode to molecules floating around. They're kind of the unsung heroes of literally everything. Alright, that's it. You survived this video. At least, go breathe some air. Hug a tree? Maybe don't take oxygen for granted. Or do. I'm not your life coach. Peace out.